Hello everyone, my name is Christian D. Villegas and I'm from BSIT2D FAT and currently at the position of Sergeant at Arms and Head Editor of the media team of Iris Junior Fashion and Apparel Technologies Student Society. And ngayon, I am running for the position of President. At for my background, naging president ako, class president for 4 consecutive years from grade 7 to 10. And from my grade 9th grade, naging director ako ng grade 9 assembly from Ramon Magsaysay High School. And on my 10th grade, naging head director din ako ng aming grade 10 assembly. So, in my 11th grade, naging president ako ng section namin. And hello, I am from UM. So, nung grade 12 ako, naging vice president ako. And naging head editor din ako ng Kabalikat. Yung Kabalikat is Student Society or Student Council sa National Teachers College. So, ang maipapangako ko lamang ay magiging matapat at isang responsableng president para sa inyo. At lahat ng mga hindi nagawang projects and events last year or last academic year ay magiging posible ngayon kung ako ang iboboto nyo. At marami akong plano na tiyak na ikakagaganda at ikabubuti ng ating organisasyon. Yun lamang at maraming salamat.